Today I want to discuss with you when a notice of termination is required to preserve a party's right to terminate the contract. Fortunately, the Trek Broker Lawyer Committee drafted and the Commission adopted the promulgated Buyer's Notice of Termination and Seller's Notice of Termination. Each form lists the specific provisions under which a notice of termination from one party to the other is required. For instance, the buyer's notice of termination lists 7 contingencies under the contract and the addenda that require a notice from buyer to seller. Failure to give such notice results in a waiver of buyer's right to terminate the contract under that particular contingency. The seller's notice of termination has 1 item listed, and that is for failure to deposit the earnest money within the time provided. Both termination notices provide a space for other. The other could cover notice of termination under paragraph 15 of the contract when one party terminates the contract due to the other party's default. Or it could cover any special provision contingency that might be added by an attorney for one of the parties. If the parties, for a reason outside any of the contingencies under the contract, decide to no longer pursue closing, then the form to use to terminate the contract is more of a mutual release of contract. No notice would be required when the parties simply negotiate a mutual release. As a reminder to you about notices, paragraph 21 of the contract says notices must be in writing and sent to the address specified in that paragraph to be effective. Be sure to follow the provisions of paragraph 21. Is an email notice effective? Yes, if the email is from principal to principal. An email would constitute a writing. However, the principal's email notice must be sent to the other party at the address specified in paragraph 21. If no email address is given for the other party, then sending by email is not effective. If you as an agent prepare the notice, remember you must use promulgated forms. I hope this video podcast is helpful. Allegiance Title is your trusted resource for results.